Quick pancakes in less than an hour. Ingredients: 2 cups flour, 2 tablespoons oil, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon sugar, a pinch of salt, half a cup, milk, a quarter cup water. For the filling, you'll need a quantity of pastrami, a quantity of cheese mix, Roman, mozzarella, cheddar. First, in a deep bowl, combine the flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder and mix well. Then, gradually add the oil, milk, and water and knead for about 7 minutes until you have a smooth, soft dough. Then, form the dough into small, egg-sized balls and place them in a greased bowl. Cover the bowl and let the dough rest for a quarter hour. Get a ball of dough, flatten it with your hand, and fill it with the cheese and pastrami. Close the dough again, then press it lightly with your hand to make it resemble a small pancake. Get a frying pan, put a little oil in it, and when it gets hot, put the pancakes in it, reduce the heat, and brown them on both sides. Then, take them out of the frying pan and cover them for about 10 minutes so that they are soft. Then serve them.